DMC has made a retro style 964 spoiler for the new Porsche 992. Hi guys, welcome back here to another video, and today we are very glad to show you the Porsche 992 rear wing spoiler by DMC. This time it's not a big spoiler. We've shown you quite some wing spoilers for the Porsche 992 before. Today we're going to show you our retro style 964 duck wing style wing spoiler for the Porsche 992. It's a little bit like a retro style wing for the Porsche 992, the latest iteration of the Porsche 911, and it's designed like the Porsche 964, so that's why we call it retro style. If you remember, there's a lot of fans that love the Porsche 964 and 993, and those two cars had a very beautiful duck spoiler in the past. We've made exactly the same kind of duck wing from pre-packed carbon fiber, but without talking too much, let me show you what we're talking about. Here's the DMC carbon fiber wing for the Porsche 992. So if you look at the product, it's actually, besides seeing the beautiful pre-packed carbon fiber with the V centerline carbon fiber, we've chosen the 2x2 12 weave here, but as usual with DMC, when you choose pre-packed carbon, it's same or better even than OEM quality, and you can choose any weave style that you like for the carbon. Do you like to have it plain? Do you like to have a 2x2, 4x4? You can let us know. This is the freedom that comes with choosing the carbon style when you choose pre-packed carbon fiber. We also have visible carbon fiber available. We also have forged carbon fiber available, but the best option to follow the OEM is usually the pre-packed carbon. Sometimes it's forged, but it's really not that mainstream common yet. So if you like to have a little bit more details about the differences between visible and pre-packed carbon fiber, let me know. We're going to send you some information about it. This particular spoiler, it comes with a base, so there's nothing big that you need to do. You have to take off the original OEM spoiler. You have to take off the original OEM spoiler from your Porsche 992 and just replace it with the DMC duck spoiler. Our duck spoiler is already integrated in a base that looks exactly like your Porsche Carrera S 992 base. So basically, again, you just replace it for the DMC wing spoiler. It's a super clean install, no glue necessary here, no drilling necessary. You just replace the parts. That's what we love doing where available. It's not always possible, but this again is one of the parts where it's definitely possible, and we love to give you that kind of product because this is how modification tuning should be. We don't like to cut the cars, we don't like to modify the cars where available. Sometimes you can't really go around it too much. If you want to make a white body kit, you have to modify the rear fenders because they're usually bolted onto the car, but that's not usually something that DMC is doing. So going around the parts here, you see it's very beautiful. Let me know if you have more comments or questions about this part. We will be very glad to answer all of your questions. This is for all the retro fans out there that love to have a 964 or a 993 style duck wing spoiler for the Porsche 992. If you like the product or if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down, and as most important, no matter whether you like it or don't like it, leave a comment, tell us what you liked or didn't like. Only then we can improve and give you better content in future. Thank you so much for watching. Also hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. I'll also show you here how you can do that on other platforms. And there you go. Click here, here, and here. Click here, here, and here, and then you'll know next time when we upload new DMC videos, which usually happens when we have new products or have some events or when we're teaching you something about certain products or technologies. You can let us know what you like to see in future, but until then, I'm going to look forward to seeing your comments, and let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, bye for now.